Okay, so here, like for this one, what we're gonna do, I'd like you to just kind of do this on top of like the third video that you sent me, like so the blues in A, like swung, like. So what I'd like you to do is essentially it's quite hard, like, but but just kind of get the feel for like the sound like with a swing, like so. If I'm playing straight, like 2, 3, 4. With a swing, it's just like this. And 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So what I'm doing in here, like, so I'm always doing like, for the time being, it'd be good for you, like, to just do like a single strum on the 1, so you know exactly. Then that makes it easier. Then when you have to change and stuff like that, like, so I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm just doing 1 as a single note, and then and 2 and 3 and 4. However, like, although I'm counting it like this, like, with I don't mean to kind of overcomplicate things, like, but the feel of a shuffle is essentially like, you don't count. It's not 1 and 2 and 4, because otherwise it'd be that, like, if it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and so 1 and 2 is essentially like dividing the bits into triplets, but then missing one out, like. And the way that we kind of do that, like 1, so the 1 and 2, the ends are a bit longer than the beats, so you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So because they're not equal, because otherwise you'd be straight again. Is that making sense? So like and 3 and so just do it like that. Like, as you can see now, the only thing I'm doing just literally root notes, and then I'm changing where, as we know, because it's a standard 12-bar blues. So just to get the rhythm, like, and just to kind of get it, boop, 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 boop. Think of like maybe like the gallop of a horse. That is a sound that you want over train. So it's like, it's a lazier, and then followed by a sharp note, like so. Yeah, so kind of butts on that, because that would be very important, like, and then the other step basically would be like to do what you were doing, but then with that rhythm. So it's like, rather than just playing the root notes, which again, nothing wrong with that, because by just doing the root notes, we were saying like you can achieve like a more solid kind of sound, like a more direct, I would guess. Like, but then you can still do what you were doing, but by doing it with that rhythm, so you're going. But not this, because this is straight.
Yeah.
So just to give you an idea, I don't know if it hopefully it will help, because it really helped me when I was learning this. Like, so straight, you kind of count them more like. So 1, 2, 3, 4 as well, kind of army, like, really. Whenever, like, for swung, I just kind of like move sideways, and the bit is in the middle, so I go. So you see, it's a bit more, it's kind of bouncier, like kind of lazier in a way, man. So that's what you want to try and achieve. So good luck.